channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic app that is super status bar, gestures and notification and more. So welcome once again. So still you do not like and subscribe, first go and like and subscribe my channel, and please give a one like and also a short comment. Okay, so open this last updated in 14 April 2020. Okay guys, so I have already installed this, so you have to click on next, then next, next, next and done. Okay guys, after doing this, done, you have to click on start. Then you have to modify settings and as well as the accessibilities. So you have to allow modify settings, system setting, and as well as the accessibilities. Okay guys, so you have to on the status bar. From here you have to do the okay guys. Now easily you can select the status bar. You can tag this, it is very fantastic, and you can apply this. You can see here the time and custom is coming, and as well as the color you can select by here. So this is very amazing to use. So you can use by here clock, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, battery, hotspot, and whatever you want to take you can take here. And if you want to close anything else, so you can cancel as well from the status bar, and easily you can use this. So you do not need to root. When you will download this app, you do not need to root. Easily you can use by here, speak phone, and multiple things you can apply from here. So guys, in this way you can put this status bar as well as, and also you can use in this way. This is very amazing to use. You can see here the status bar is coming, so in this way you can use. So guys, thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Do not forget to like and subscribe and a short comment.